So he's a predator. Heavy traps. He's setting up traps. He can use it even when there's no enemies around. So let's see how do they work. And they do the work as I expected, like a traps. They can hit several foes if it's the case. Traps have own range, so you can see it's slightly different. And traps can be upgraded. Here's a stun. Let me show you full stun. Stun have fixed value for fixed time. It's like this. And here's the new traps. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see they getting stunned. Okay, let's do something else. Let's see. This one works not only for the traps, but for all skills. So this finisher, and this one is extra charges. So the traps will trigger more than once. This one is old. Traps they will work, but they doesn't have this value, and they can be stuck now. Oops, doesn't matter much. I will fix it. Yeah, here we go. So it used to be Ice Mage, now it's serving both purposes. Ice Mage, Trapper, or Hunter. So yeah, like this. And he's dead.